Hey, well, we're back, and I use Hillandale Farms medium eggs, and I actually got it at my supermarket, which is Key Food, 3 for $5, which I figure is a pretty good break. Now, what I've done is I've whipped up 4 eggs. I was going to use 2 because it's night and this is my dinner, but I really like omelets, so I whipped up 4 eggs. I beat 4 eggs, and now I'm going to put it into the ground turkey / cucumber / butter saute pan, and it's been cooking. The ground turkey's been cooking for a good 20 minutes, and I smashed it down, making sure that the residual heat cooks the turkey completely. You never want half done raw turkey, because once you put in the eggs, it's going to automatically slow down the cooking process to everything that's in there. And so it's like that. So I actually raised the heat a little bit more because it was taking a long time. But everything is done. And this is a non-stick pan that I'm using, and I rather like it because it's a quick cleanup. And when I use butter, it cooks so much more evenly than anything else that I've used. And believe me, I've used a lot of different pans. So you can find a pan like this, a non-stick pan, in all types of stores, Macy's and such. And you can get different brands, obviously. This guy is just cooking away here. And what I like to do is just test the ends to see if it's really cooked, because like I said, it's an omelet, and I'm just folding over the very ends. And I bloody well, every time I make a video, I can never make the perfect omelet. It looks more like scrambled eggs. I don't know why that is. I added more butter to the pan just before putting in the eggs, right? So, like I said, it looks scrambled. It's not supposed to look like that. So now what I'm doing is I'm turning off the heat, turning off the flame, and the rest of it is going to cook, because you can see it's almost there anyway. The residual heat is actually cooking the eggs. Everything else is cooked in there, the ground turkey and the cucumbers, like that. So I'm going to try to plate it with just Hermano, one hand. Let's see how it works. And just falls out of the pan a good 95.